Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background to Capcut. So here I've already opened the Capcut apps and then I'm going to add a new project and select the video that I want to edit. So this one right here, and I'm going to add a background to this video. So what you need to do is swipe until you find this canvas menu, click on that and then click on background, and then here you'll find various backgrounds provided by the Capcut team, and then you can just choose one of them that you think fits the most into your video, like this. Okay, just choose one of them, and when you're done picking the background or pick the background, just click on the check icon and then save your video into your phone. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can add background to CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.